了太多的预测，像是装赢了什么人小测，评价谁的理论如何，只敢跟我都是不得，我的就这样的，全部都是命一个，江湖难测，谁最强者，谁才配得你的资格。
Much you can do is say to faze me. People think I'm a little bit crazy. I get it from all angles, even occasionally. Doc Crazy will have to step in every once in a while to save me, to make me stop and think about it before I just say things. Sometimes I forget what other people just make think. A lot of rappers probably wouldn't know how to take me if they heard some shit I later tape before they erase me. I may be a little too fast-paced and racy. Sometimes the average listener rewinds and plays me 20 times cause I say so many rhymes. It may seem like I'm going too fast cause my mind is racing. And I can give a fuck what category you place me. My daisies and gold as long as you place me amongst more of them greats. When I hit the heavenly gates, I'll be cool beside Jay-Z. For every single die-hard fan who embraced me. I'm thankful for the talent in which God gave me. I'm thankful for the environment that He placed me. Believe it or not, I thank my mom for how she raised me in the neighborhood daily to jump and chase me. It only made me what I am today. See, regardless of what anybody believes who hates me, you ain't gonna make no break me. Try to trick me of my credibility and make me look fake. G, you're only gonna be in for a rude awakening. Cause sooner or later you haters are all gonna face me. And when you face me with all the shit you've been saving to say to me, you had all this time to think about it now. Don't pussy out and try to about face me. I've been patiently waiting for the day that we finally meet in the same place to see.
No matter how many battles I've been in, no matter how many magazines on my nuts, no matter how many MCs I eat up, oh, it's never enough. No matter how many battles I've been in, no matter how many magazines on my nuts, no matter how many MCs I eat up, oh, it's never enough. My flow's untouchable, now you gotta fix it. Uh-oh, it gets worse when I go back to the basics. You go say the wrong shit and get your face split. The smell of victory, love it so much I can taste it. I spot my target, blaze a direct hit. Crazy to peace talk, say that your shit sounds dated Jehovah. Rated on my blood, gated up. Study your moves and crush you motherfuckers. If I'm the best and the worst, then God's gift is a curse. So you trying to destroy, you paying attention, boy? I spit shit, snake shit, so quick we miss it. To be specific, I go ballistic, it's all clip it. My music is a drug, press play, you gotta slip it. Shoot it or pop it, roll the bag of the chopper to get you high over and over, but you
gotta cop it. When it's hot, it's hot. You hating, it's undeniable. Stop it.
No matter how many battles I've been in and won, no matter how many magazines on my nuts, no matter how many MCs I eat up. Oh, it's never enough. No matter how many battles I've been in and won, no matter how many magazines on my nuts, no matter how many MCs I eat up. Oh,